Hey everybody, welcome back to Destiny Manifest. In today's video, I'm going to be talking to you about how you can drive more traffic, more sales, and make more revenue in your Shopify store, your Etsy shop, or any marketplace you sell on using a simple marketing technique that you can literally start for free. I'm going to be giving you our two top places that we personally use for our stores, so definitely make sure that you watch all the way to the end so you can get all the details and perks. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, I'm Jay, and together with my sister T, we share our knowledge about manifestation, dream life building, mindset, e-commerce / different side hustles that you can start to create financial freedom, and so much more. If you want to know how you can help the channel, please like, subscribe, and comment. It helps way more than you ever know. We really want to get to that 1K, believe it or not. It's been a bit of a struggle, so yeah, definitely make sure to subscribe. So many people are interested in e-commerce these days, which is a really good thing because e-commerce provides such an amazing opportunity to earn money on your own terms and in the comfort of your own home. There are so many different marketplaces where you can literally start for free or for a small monthly fee, and we talk about some of them on our channel here, so make sure to check out our playlist. And with the life-changing amount of money that people have been able to make with online businesses, there's really no excuse not to get started. Online business is one of the #1 ways to go. In fact, for self-made millionaires under 50 years old, one of the top 5 ways that they've been able to make their millions is through consumer and business services. So you are truly in the right space if you start an online business. But with more and more people going into e-commerce these days, the competition is getting a little bit steep. I hate to use the word saturated because nothing is truly saturated if you know how to do your research, your marketing, and of course you create quality products. But if you've been a seller on Etsy or any other marketplace and you're not making the amount of sales per month that you like, it can definitely feel discouraging. So here is one easy way that you can improve your monthly sales. You can do this by improving your product photos. One way that we like to do this, especially for our print-on-demand products, is by finding quality mock-up pictures. Most people are very visual oriented, so if they can't physically see your products, then the next best thing to do is to have quality pictures where they can at least envision what your products look like in real life. Whenever I go to Etsy shops, for example, that sell print-on-demand merchandise like clothing, so many of them are really lacking in product image quality. What I mean by that is if a store sells like shirts or mugs, their products will literally just be a floating shirt or a mug that's just floating in a white background. And while that may generate some sales if the product is good enough, honestly, it's the people who have better mock-ups that tend to make more sales. For most customers, it's so much better and so much more impactful when you have a person wearing your clothes in a photo if you're trying to sell clothes, or you have a person holding a mug that you've designed if you're trying to sell a mug. When you use mock-ups for your products that actually show how they look when they're worn or when they're used, it really helps people to envision them in their own lives and in their own homes, and that will increase the likelihood of a sale. So now that you understand the importance of good mock-up photos for your products, I want to share a couple of websites that we absolutely love for our business when we create print-on-demand products. The first one is Creative Fabrica. Now, Creative Fabrica is such a good website. They feature over 5 million graphics and fonts, which are copyright free and free for commercial use, meaning you can legally sell them on your own custom design products. But not only that, the website also sells mock-ups for everything from clothes to books, so you can really level up your Etsy or Shopify listings with just the click of a few buttons. Not only that, but right now they have an event called Christmas in July, where for 7 days you can get full access to all of their resources, no limits, for just $1, and you can cancel anytime, no questions asked. So sign up right now if you don't already have an account, and make sure to take advantage. I put a link in the description. The next place we love for mockups is called Placeit.net. This website focuses on mockups, and they have hundreds of thousands of different mockups for apparel, logos, videos, and even social media. We like using their mockups for apparel because they have so many diverse models of different races and ages, which is helpful when targeting customers from different backgrounds. They even have holiday mockups, which I am obsessed with. So you know that we're in third quarter, right? It started July 1st and then it goes till the end of September. And then after that, we are in fourth quarter, which is October 1st to the end of December. So that's when you have your major holidays for the year, like Halloween, Thanksgiving, Christmas, all that stuff. And also Black Friday and stuff like that. Well, Placeit.net actually has mock-ups that are geared towards those specific holidays, allowing you to create really festive looking mock-ups that'll draw people to your listings. Festive mock-ups are a great way to get buyers into the spirit of the holidays, and I feel like it really makes them want to buy. It's the same marketing technique that offline stores use when they decorate their stores for the holidays. I just thought that was a really brilliant idea on their part. I will leave a link in the description for them as well. If you're not seeing sales with your e-commerce business, especially if you're selling on a marketplace that allows you to upload your own photos, the problem might be your product photos. There's so much competition out there, you really do have to stand out from the crowd. And it's really more difficult than it ever was before to sell online because more people have access to the internet. More people are at home. More people are looking for side hustles. So the competition is real. You're not imagining it. It is harder to make sales. But the opposite is also true. With more people having internet access, more people are buying online. And there really is enough for everyone to win. So you can still make it as long as you know what to do. We've made it. We've helped other people to make it. You can do this. You're no different. If you need extra help, if you want to learn how we've been able to scale our Etsy shops all the way to over $100,000 in sales, working on it part-time, I have left a link in the description to our Etsy print-on-demand sales mastery course. It's helped a lot of people and it just might help you too. We're now also taking phone consultations. Just give us a call. The two of us, me and T, we will be there to help you. All of our products are on sale right now, in fact, and it'll continue that way until the end of July, since July is my birthday month, and I wanted to be able to give back to you guys in some way. Really hope this video helped you. If it did, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up, share it with someone you feel like could use the help, and subscribe. It helps us to grow and it helps us to feel inspired to keep going. And whatever it is that you do today, make sure that you're creating more than you're consuming. Also, wait, if you have any questions or anything like that, leave them in the comments and we might just make a video response to it. Have a great day, and we'll see you in the next one.